Hello, welcome everyone to join us today at PSLE Mathematics Hub. Today we're going to go through one of the top questions in this year PSLE 2021 Mathematics paper. So let's go into the question straight away. So it's the Helen and Ivan question. I bet all of you have actually saw it on YouTube and on newspaper. That is one of the toughest question in this year that result in many of the PSLE students to actually have problem with it. Let me share with you what are the ways that we can actually do it easily without feeling headache and getting stumbled over it in exam. So let's go into the question. Helen and Ivan had the same number of coins. Helen had a number of 50 cents coin and 64 20 cents coin. These coins had a mass of 1.134 kg. Ivan had a number of 50 cents coin and 104 20 cents coin. So let's note down the important parts that the question actually have given us. First thing, they actually told us say that both Ivan and Helen have the same number of coin. This is one of the key factors that we need to know in order to continue the question. So the next information that they gave us is, we know that Helen have a total of 64 20 cents coin. And also, we do know that Ivan have 104 20 cents coin. So with this information, I'm pretty sure that we can actually start doing question A. They say who has more money in coins and by how much. So for students who already confused at this point, suggestion is start listing down all the information that we are given by the question. This will help us to not get confused and do not panic in exam. So in this case, we know that there's 20 cents coin and 50 cents coin, and we only know the number of 20 cents coin for each individual. So Helen actually have 64 20 cents coin, whereas Ivan have 104 20 cents coin. And the next thing we know is they have same number of coin. That is one of the key things that I want you all to note. So with that, I'm going to just use what we have here. I'm going to take 104 minus away 64 and I get 40. The reason why I'm finding 40 here is because we know that both of them have the same number of coin in total. So if Ivan actually have 40 more 20 cents coin, it means Ivan have 40 lesser 50 cents coin. And same thing, since Helen have 40 lesser 20 cents coin, it means that Helen will have 40 more. Helen have 40 more 50 cents coin than Ivan. Only in this way, they will be able to have the same number of coins in total. So meaning with that, I can actually like Ivan to be 1 unit because that's the lower amount. Because if some students that cannot actually visualize this, it just means that Ivan and Helen will have 40 more of the 50 cents coin to make up for the less that she has for the 20 cents coin. So it will also means this is equals to 1 plus 40 for the number of coin. I think everyone should be following till this point. And then with this, I think it's much easier for us to actually continue on. They ask who has more money in coins and by how much. So it's pretty obvious that for Helen, she will have more money because she actually have more of the higher value amount, which is 50 cents. So how do we find the difference? Like how much more Helen actually have? So Helen more by how much? So with that, we need to go and find Helen more by how much, which will be equals to, we have 40 cents, and then we can use, we have 50 cents, and then we can use that to times the 40 here, and this is equals to $20. And also next, we will need to find Ivan for the 20 cents, how much he have more. This is for the 20 cents. And then the on top one is for the 50 cents, how much more. Then later we can take these two and minus each other in order to find the differences of how much more Helen actually have in total as compared to Ivan. So here is also 40 coins in different, multiplied by 20 cents because Ivan have 40 more 20 cents. And then what we have here is equals to $8. So Helen has more by 20 cents, $20 minus weight $8, so it's $12. That's A. So after getting A, actually B will be easier. So how do we find B? So given that each 50 cents coin is equals to 2.7 gram, more heavier than 20 cents coin, what is the mass of Ivan coin in kg? So we actually note this part here that the 50 cents coin is equals to 2.7. So we actually know that the total mass of Helen coin is equals to 1.1134. And then we also know that each 50 cents coin is 2.7 gram more heavier than each 20 cents coin. So with this, we can actually use the difference to actually find. So let's go back to what we actually have on here in this table and try to see what we can use from here. So if we actually do a comparison, we can tell that there is this 1 unit and this 1 unit here will be of the same mass, and then the 64 and 64 will be the same mass as well. So the difference in weight is also of the 40 coins in different. So the total difference in weight for Ivan will be equals to 2.7 gram times 40. And then what we get here is 108 gram. And that is the difference. So with that, it's much easier for us to actually find what is the mass of Ivan's coin in total. So we do know that we want it to be in kg. Please note this, because if not you will get 1 mark deducted for the unit, or you might get wrong from here, because we will need to do a conversion from 108 gram into kg. So what I have is 0.108 kg, and then I'm going to take the amount that we have from Helen, and then we're going to take 1.134 minus away 0.108, and then we'll be able to get our final answer, which is equals to 1.026 kg. So this is our final answer for each. Hopefully after this video, everything will seem much easier. So the main problem that most students actually make for this question is they would actually start it the wrong way by maybe drawing model. If you can visualize it, model can actually work. I will share it another time if there's a demand for it. I will actually go through how to actually use model to solve it as well in a clear way. And another mistake that most of them actually make is that they fail to see that the sentence here for this coin had a mass of 1.134 is for Helen only, because some of them might actually misread it as like Helen and Ivan in total, the total number of mass of their coin is equals to 1.134. They failed to see that the sentence is right after the Helen information, so means they are referring to the coins that Helen had in total. The mass is equals to 1.134. Hopefully today's video will actually help you all learn something. If you do want to learn how to actually solve PSLE questions or heuristic questions, that is higher order questions that is really difficult in a simpler and easy to understand way, please stay tuned to our channel and join us for the upcoming PSLE and P5 and P4 holiday program that will actually help your child to actually booster their marks. So stay tuned and PM me if you actually want to know more about our upcoming webinar and what upcoming program. Thank you for joining us today. See you soon. Thank you for joining us for the full video today. If you do not wish to miss out on our next upcoming mathematics video, please click on the bottom button to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button next to it. We hope that you have learned a brand new kind of methods to actually solve your next 4 and 5 marks question that could be coming on your next exam. If you want to learn more of such techniques, please follow us on Facebook as well. Our Facebook page is PSLE Mathematics Hub. You can actually upload questions that you might need us to help you as well. We welcome you to upload questions. We will pick 3 or 5 questions per week to go through on YouTube here. We have upcoming free webinars and free tutorials as well. Please follow us on PSLE Mathematics Hub. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.